Well, guys, look at this. We have here the Raging Bulls. So nice. Actually, these are for a client as well. I'm just about to ship them out. Look at these things. Honestly, I'm kind of jealous. I should have kept them. But, hey, what do you know? When you resell, you kind of don't want to hold on to the shoes. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. It literally reminds me of Chicago Bulls red. So nice. Wow. I mean, I have a pair of top threes, but these red ones look killer. Very nice. Very, very nice. But hey, there you go. That's the unboxing of it. I got a couple more shoes I have. We'll unbox real soon. So stay tuned.